Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to create a persona in Poly AI. Ever wish you could walk into a roleplay chat as a completely different character without rewriting your entire profile every time? That's exactly what personas are for in Polybuzz AI. When I was setting one up, I noticed that personas are created on a per chat basis, which means you have a different identity for different conversations. To create one, open the chat where you want to use the persona, then tap the menu in the top right corner and head into chat settings. From there, select my persona and choose the option to create a new one. You'll be able to add a profile image, enter a name, choose a gender, and write a description that tells the AI what your character is like and what they know about themselves. You can even set it as your default persona if you want to use it in future chats. I like this feature because it keeps different roleplays separate. Otherwise, my fantasy adventurer would somehow end up introducing himself as my business executive character. Once you save the details, that persona will be used in the selected conversation. While chat without a custom persona will continue using your regular profile information. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.